Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore alternatives to divorce. While divorce is a common option for couples facing challenges in their marriage, it's not the only solution. In this video, we'll discuss some alternatives that you may consider before making the final decision. Let's dive in. Alternative 1. Marriage counseling. When facing difficulties in a relationship, seeking the help of a marriage counselor can be incredibly valuable. A trained professional can facilitate open and honest communication, help identify underlying issues, and provide guidance to improve the relationship. Alternative 2. Trial separation. Sometimes, taking a break from the relationship through a trial separation can provide space and clarity. It allows both partners to reflect on their needs and feelings while living apart temporarily. During this time, couples may decide to seek individual counseling or engage in self-reflection to evaluate the future of their marriage. Alternative 3. Mediation. Mediation involves a neutral third party who assists couples in resolving conflicts and finding mutually acceptable solutions. It can be particularly useful in addressing issues such as property division, child custody, and financial matters. Mediation promotes constructive dialogue and can often lead to more satisfactory outcomes for both parties. Alternative 4. Collaborative law. Collaborative law is a process where both partners and their respective lawyers commit to resolving disputes outside of court. It encourages cooperative negotiations and problem-solving while focusing on the best interests of everyone involved. Collaborative law can help minimize conflict and maintain an amicable relationship between partners. Alternative 5. Open communication and compromise. In many cases, open and honest communication, combined with a willingness to compromise, can help address marital issues. This may involve setting clear boundaries, expressing needs and concerns, and actively listening to your partner. Seeking support from a relationship coach or therapist can provide guidance in fostering healthy communication. It's important to remember that every relationship is unique, and what works for one couple may not work for another. These alternatives should be explored with careful consideration, and it's advisable to seek guidance from professionals who specialize in relationship dynamics and conflict resolution. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and remember, relationships require effort and commitment. Exploring alternatives to divorce can be a proactive step toward finding solutions and potentially saving your relationship. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.